Knitting tools don't have to come from the craft store. You might already have everything you need right at home. Let's talk about some everyday items that secretly make amazing knitting tools. Keeping your place in a pattern can be tricky, especially with complex graphs and color work. A simple Post-it note works like a highlighter, moving along the rows as you go. Post-it notes also make great bookmarks. No stitch marker? No problem. Bobby pins are perfect for holding stitches or even acting as an emergency cable needle. If you accidentally drop a stitch, pop a bobby pin on it and pick up that stitch on the next row. Lost your point protectors? Stick your needles into an eraser and no more escaping stitches. A simple paper clip makes a great stitch marker, and you can even bend it to fit your needs. Who knew office supplies could be so crafty? Keep all your small notions in an Altoids tin or a coin purse, tiny, portable, and perfect for your on-the-go projects. Hair ties aren't just for ponytails. Use them as flexible stitch markers. Or wrap them around your needles to keep them from getting lost. Nail clippers make a great yarn cutter in a pinch. So next time you're missing a knitting tool, check your desk, your purse, or kitchen drawer. You might already have the perfect solution. Happy knitting!